Good morning, everybody. I wanted to take you through the back kitchen door to show you how the renovation is going of my rental beach cottage. It's been about 3 weeks. I looked at the calendar. It's been about 24 days and counting. But finally, the kitchen sink is in and the kitchen counter is in. And I decided to use porcelain floor tile for the countertop. It saved us a lot of money. It's still really durable and it still has a really beautiful, very soft marble finish. And I'll tell you more about that in the next episode. And I will hopefully have time to sand and paint the cabinets this weekend. That's how I'm gonna spend my Memorial Day. How about you? Okay, let's go into the living room. We still have appliances that we're going to be installing today, so we'll get rid of those big boxes. That's the fridge and the stove. And then that'll clear out the living room and I can really start thinking about designing the living room. I really love this arch. I'm so glad that that arch is there. Whoever thought about that. Let me take you into the bathroom. And we still have a little grouting to do, but I think it's getting there. And the floor of the shower is also tiled, so we're gonna be grouting that today. And then we'll do the floor. Oh my goodness. So the shower is taking a while, but everything else is happening around it. And then I wanted to show you the primary bedroom is something that now the guys are finished, and now I can come in and start thinking about decorating. One of the first things I did was, I know it's controversial yet brave, I decided to go with a very stately looking canopy bed, all wood from IKEA. It was on sale. I've always loved this canopy bed and it's on sale right now if you guys want to check it out. And I just love it. I know it's a presence in this bedroom, but there really isn't anything architectural or anything interesting in this bedroom. So I wanted to do that with the bed. Once I balance it with furniture, believe it or not, with nightstands and a nice cozy little reading area here with a nice, I don't know, warm little cozy chair and ottoman, I think that everything will balance out quite nicely. Okay, so I am gonna sign off from here. I am gonna have full content for you next week. I want you to have a beautiful Memorial Day weekend. And thank you so much for hanging out with me here at the beach house, and we will show you a lot more progress next week, okay? All right, thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.